Introducing the all-new 10.25-inch wireless touch display. This unit offers premium integration, a reimagined interface, and an evolutive experience. Let's take a closer look at the features that set this display apart. The cabin puts you in control of a unified experience between both displays. The 5-inch color display allows you to clearly see your vehicle information and settings, while the 10.25-inch wireless touch display is your access point for infotainment features. This experience is made easy with the buttons on your steering wheel. The Ride Settings button allows you to cycle through your vehicle's various ride settings on your 5-inch color display, making it easy to decide how your vehicle behaves. Pressing the App Switcher button allows you to quickly change the app shown on the 10.25-inch wireless touch display without having to take your hands off the steering wheel. Throughout this video, you'll see how these intuitively placed steering wheel buttons bring it all together. Let's go through all of the apps available on the 10.25-inch wireless touch display. When you open the navigation app, you'll see a pre-downloaded map that includes points of interest and official ORV trails in supported regions. The points of interest icon can be selected to find and navigate to specific gas stations, restaurants, BRP dealerships, and more. If you want to save your own custom points of interest, long press on the desired location on the map. From there, you can rename the point, save it, or navigate directly to it. This point will now be visible on the map and appear under My Places in the Points of Interest list. At any point, you can select the Record button to record a ride. When you stop the recording, a summary with relevant ride stats can be found by selecting the Rides icon and then Completed Rides. From here, you can also rename or delete the recorded ride. Want to see your friends and other BRP vehicles on the map? Connect to a group. To do so, select the Groups icon, then Share Position, and save your desired initials. Join a group by entering the group code. Now, you can share this group code with other BRP vehicles to see them on the map, even if you're out of cellular network range. Group members will appear on the map as colored icons, and other BRP vehicles will appear as black icons. If you prefer, you can choose to toggle on the Group Members Only function. To keep official trails and points of interest up to date and access more advanced navigation features, the BRP Go app can transfer data wirelessly to your display. To get started, pair your phone to the display from the Connect option in the Settings app. When you're back in the Navigation app, scan the QR code to download BRP Go. Open the app, then create an account or sign in. Then, scan the same QR code again to access a list of available regions. Select the regions where you'd like to receive official trail and points of interest updates, then press Download and Transfer. A green check mark will appear when you're done. In the future, updating your trails and points of interest is quick and easy. Ensure your phone is paired via Bluetooth. Open the Navigation app on your display and open BRP Go on your phone. From the Navigation tab, select the Off-Road Playground, tap Select Region, and press Check Update to transfer the latest data. Last step. If you've already created itineraries or custom points of interest in BRP Go, you can transfer them to your display as well. Under Import Itineraries and My Places, choose Activate Auto Import to transfer them automatically. By selecting the Rides icon, you can access these itineraries to view turn-by-turn directions while you're headed to your destination. From now on, with your phone paired and BRP Go open, any new itineraries and custom points of interest will transfer to your display automatically. Nothing beats listening to your favorite music during a ride. Once your phone is paired to the display over Bluetooth, the Media app lets you easily play, pause, or skip tracks right from the screen. You can also control your music using the up-down OK switch and volume switch on the steering wheel. With the radio app, you can tune into your favorite AM and FM stations. Enabling HD radio allows access to additional information about the song or radio show for FM stations. From there, switch between AM and FM and use Next, Previous, or Seek to browse stations. To save presets, simply long press a preset slot on the display or press OK on the steering wheel to add the current station. Even when you're out riding, staying connected is easy. When a phone and driver headset are paired via Bluetooth, the phone app gives you access to a dial pad, call history, favorites, and contacts. Incoming calls can be accepted or declined directly from the steering wheel controls using the up-down OK switch. The camera app gives you crisp image quality from available camera angles, helping you get a better view of your surroundings and obstacles. Switch between front and rear views using the camera icons on the display or by pushing up or down on the up-down OK switch on the steering wheel. Camera views can also be enabled at any speed. The Accessories app brings all vehicle accessories together in one place. After an accessory is installed on the vehicle, go to Settings, then Vehicle, Accessories, and select Add Accessories. Select the accessory from the list and choose Install. You can also manage your accessories here. Once added, accessories can be turned on or off using the power icon within the app. Some accessories also include additional controls, such as the brightness levels on the smart LED light bar. If your vehicle is equipped with the Smart Control Center, accessories can be assigned to buttons through Settings, Buttons, and Smart Control Center. The Statistics app lets you track key ride data, including distance, duration, and average speed for your current ride, as well as Trip A and Trip B. The total option shows the odometer and vehicle hours. To reset Trip A or Trip B, press the Reset button or simply long press the OK button on the steering wheel. The Settings app is the command center that makes your vehicle truly yours. In Connect, you can manage Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. To pair your phone, enable Bluetooth on your device, then select Bluetooth, Phone, and Pair New Device. Select your device and make sure the confirmation number on the phone and display matches. Headsets can also be paired here by selecting either a driver or passenger headset and following similar steps. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, select Wi-Fi, join other network, select your Wi-Fi network or phone hotspot, and enter the password. In Display, you can easily adjust the brightness of both displays and choose between light, dark, or auto modes. The Audio menu lets you choose audio sources, adjust volume levels, and access more advanced sound settings. In Buttons, you can choose which apps appear when pressing the App Switcher button on the steering wheel and arrange them in the order you want. The Vehicle menu is where you can quickly view vehicle maintenance info, manage your accessories, and view information about your vehicle. The System menu lets you change languages, set time in units, or perform system updates and factory resets. Doing a system update gives you access to the latest features and continuous improvements. To update the system, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, then go to System, System Update, and follow the on-screen steps to download and install the latest software. While the display offers full-screen capabilities for all its apps, the widgets serve as an additional customizable option that gives you even more information at a glance. To open the widgets, select the Layout button or long press the App Switcher button. From there, you can swipe up or down to view available widgets and use the touchscreen to interact with widgets when available. For example, Your vehicle's speed limiter is managed using a dedicated widget. Now you know everything there is to know about BRP's most capable display yet. Ride safe.